Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. In this video, we will talk about 5 health benefits of rice water. The benefits of rice water for skin and hair are well known, but it is known to be beneficial for your overall health. Know 5 advantages of using rice water. It promotes digestion. Rice water contains compounds such as fiber and starch that aid digestion. It can help soothe digestive issues such as constipation and bloating, promoting a healthy gut. It keeps you hydrated. With its high water content, rice water helps maintain hydration levels in the body. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and supports bodily functions. Gives you glowy skin. Rice water is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, including vitamin E and ferulic acid, which help protect the skin from damage and promote a radiant complexion. It can also reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin. It is good for hair growth. The amino acids and vitamin B in rice water nourish the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. It can also strengthen the hair shaft, reduce split ends, and improve overall hair health. Supports immune system. Rice water contains compounds such as antioxidants and beta-glucans, which help boost the immune system functions and help the body fight off infection and